nice. I like it.
It's cute. Alright, so today is another day and it's like the end of the week. So I'm actually going somewhere tonight. Well, this evening. We're going to Howl Scream, Busch Gardens. And then tomorrow I have something to do, so I can't really clean and the bathroom I'll clean. So today is not a day that I'm going to go outside, not a day that I'm going to go walk. Today is just the day that I'm going to, the early part of it, I'm just going to clean, yeah, the house. The house won't clean itself, so I'm just going to use the hours when I have the available time to just clean up, vacuum, dust, get what I can get done. So bathroom is top priority, vacuum, dust, and them little things there. And then tomorrow I'll go be my swimming day, not today. And I'm excited. Also, yeah, so today I'm having a swimming day. I'm never want to miss swimming. Well, I moved to tomorrow anyways, but the kids that might have to miss swimming today as well. Either way, I'm gonna put them clothes in the washer to start off my day of cleaning and all that good stuff. Or whatever. Anyways, that early morning and I look kind of rough, but as I was mentioning earlier, today is a cleaning day. I don't know, I'm just in a mood. I think I'm at that, which part though? I forgot to look on it because you know me, I learn off a cycle thing. So yeah, anyways, I'm coming out of the car and I'm like, these mats, I think I'll get to at least vacuum in the car. That would think I can do. Like I feel like I'll be able to vacuum the car at least, you know, take out the mats, shake them out, and then vacuum off the car itself and the seat them. It's just that there's dust here. It doesn't look new because there's dust everywhere. So I feel like I get one of them rollers something. If I see them people with them rollers something there, I just start rolling everywhere and take off the dust because it's like it's so dusty. Or a microfiber cloth will help clean it off. One to the other one, then we're gonna figure it out. But that's what I'm gonna take. Oh, what am I saying? I can't take care of that now. I have to go to well, we're taking care of everything, but I have to go to Target. I need bleach. But the reason why I make a Target is because there's a reason for me to go to Target. Oh, I was gonna go get the toothbrush or the water floss, even though the next time I get the toothbrush first, but I think I might get the water floss first from Target. And then since I'm there, I might as well just buy the bleach there and head back to the house. That's what I'm gonna do. Back home. Oh, I have on the head tie again. I don't like to have this on the camera, but if I'm cleaning my blocks, there's certain things I don't want to get inside of it because sometimes, like when I bend and stuff, if you rub on things, I don't want that, so I cover it up so I can start the cleaning. But I'm eating some breakfast first, guys. I'm hungry. I'm out of the bathroom. Good stuff, good stuff. Finished cleaning it. I don't think I got a whole bunch of footage, but I'm gonna record a bunch, and this may make a dedicated cleaning video, which I never have the angles and things to the photo that I'm just gonna clean. I'm gonna record the whole light and I vacuum out the room and things. So I'm gonna vacuum out my office. When I'm done this now, I'm not even take out my clothes for my wear today. Like my one if I wear a long sleeve because it is a park, but it's all the way up in Williamsburg. So I'm gonna know if I'm for wear a long sleeve for go to park because it might be chilly in the night, or wear short sleeve and then have a jacket. But for some reason I wear my cargo pants. I don't know why. Like I'm getting a cargo pants vibe, but we can't bring big clothes. We can only carry our fanny packs. So yeah. So I'm finished. I'm just doing the basic cleaning. I didn't go downstairs yet. I have an hour to go downstairs, but I need to make sure that for today goes up. So I'm gonna finish up that. Is that alright? Lost my. Oh, that's what I saw on the map. Man! Woo! Supposed to have asthma. Oh man! Stop your thinking, man. Can't even sit up. Oh.
I really so screw that.
Hey, nobody turn on the light on people.
Oh, fine.
I like man.
Look alright.
It looks nice. I like it. It's cute.
It's not scary enough.
Maybe when I reach the scary side yet, because this is like Halloween, Christmas decorations. You know?
Ah!